Hello everyone, welcome back to your favorite CAT prep channel Quantifiers. So in our daily DILR set, we did a very interesting set yesterday in our time bound series. First of all, if you wish to be the part of this, you need to do what is given over here. Now, before we move towards the set, this is what you need to do. This is a course made for the people who find it very difficult to comprehend DILR sets. This course is specifically designed for them. Okay. Now, in today's set, it is a if-else set, one of the most typical complex set when we talk about the CAT series. So what does the set say? It says that after the election in the year 2080, in the state of Mutana, there are four parties A, B, C and D to form a coalition government. As party A has the maximum number of seats in the alliance, it gets the post of the prime minister. So A has already become a prime minister, someone from party A. There are four more posts: Home Minister, Finance Minister, External Minister and Defense Minister. There are four posts and then there are some conditions given to us. So if you haven't solved the set yet or if you haven't seen the video solution, please I request you to pause the video right now and give it a try. It's a good set. The optimum time to do this set is around 8 minutes. Okay? So let's move to the set. What are the four conditions? The four conditions are Home Minister, Finance Minister, External Minister and Defense Minister. So these are the four posts. Now, first condition says if A gets HM, B does not get EM. So if A gets HM, B does not get EM. So B will be either here or here. Okay. If C gets EM, then D does not get FM. If C gets EM, then D does not get FM. So D will be here and B will be here. Is there anything we can do? Is there anything wrong in this? Third point says if B does not get HM, then D gets DM. So it is satisfying that B does not get HM, D gets DM. Third point, if C gets FM, if C does not get FM, then D gets FM. Okay, so this is the problem. That if C does not get FM, then D has to get FM. Which means that this condition is telling me that only C, either C or D can have finance minister. Which is not a possible case, which means that if I am placing A at here, I cannot make my condition. So this one thing is clear that I cannot place A at HM position anytime. And I also know one funda that either C or D will be finance minister. So let's make case one that C gets a finance minister. Now if C gets finance minister, where will A go? A cannot go to HM. We have already seen that. So A will either go to EM or A will go here. So A will go here or A will go here. Okay. Now let's see what else we have. Is there anything that tells us the relationship between A, B and D directly? Okay, let's read the last point. If D gets EM, then A does not get DM. अगर D को EM मिलता है, तो A को DM मिल ही नहीं सकता. Which means if I am placing D at EM, A is not getting DM, which is not possible because A only has two places. Which means what I have to do? I have to allocate D to DM. So if I allocate D to DM and I'll give A to this, then B will go here. Now let us check that if everything is satisfying or not. Okay. So third point is already taken care of. Fifth point I have used. First point I haven't used. So the second point, if C gets EM, C is not getting EM. So this point is also gone. Only this point is left. If B does not get HM, well, B has got HM, then D gets DM. Okay. Now, some of you might be confused over here, but there is no violation in this case. Why? Because it is given that if B does not get HM, which means if B is here or here or here, then D gets DM. Then D gets DM. Which means if B is anywhere except home ministry, D will be in the defense ministry. But it is nowhere given that if B gets home ministry, in that case D cannot get defense ministry. The vice versa isn't necessarily true. Okay, this means this condition is verifying. This condition is helping me. So this is case one. This is case one in which I have given C the finance ministry and some other cases. Now let's talk about the case two. Case two, again HM, FM, EM and DM. Now what is the condition? In the first condition I gave C the finance ministry, in the second let me give D the finance ministry. If I am placing D here, where can A go? So A can go at either this place or this place. Okay. But now I can directly use this. If B does not get HM, then D gets DM. अगर B को HM नहीं मिलता तो D को DM मिला होगा. ठीक है, अगर B को HM नहीं मिलता तो D को DM मिला होगा, यानी कि D हमेशा DM पे रहेगा जब भी B HM पे नहीं होगा. बट अब क्योंकि मेरा D फाइनेंस मिनिस्ट्री पे है, which means B is at home ministry, which is fixed, because if B is at HM then D does not get DM. It is fine. So B is here and he is here. Now A can either be here or A can either be here. So A or C, A or C. Now, is there anything? What is the first point telling me? If A gets home ministry, then B does not get EM. If A gets home ministry, which is not possible, so A is eliminated. Okay. If C gets EM, then D does not get FM. If C gets EM, then D does not get FM. But since D has FM, so C will come here and A will come here. So A will be EM and C will be. So these are my two possible cases that I can form using the given arrangement. So if I see, it was not a very difficult set, but if you pick the right knot, sometimes we pick up the wrong thing and we get confusing and we get confused. So what is the first? Which party gets home ministry? Home ministry in both the cases is taken by B. So answer for this question is B. A gets which of the following ministry? So A gets in both the cases, A gets EM. Okay. Is A getting anything? No, A is not getting it. So A is getting EM. Which party gets the defense ministry? So defense ministry in one case is C, in one case is D. So answer is third option. So a pretty easy one in the end, once I have made the arrangement. So with this, we have completed this set. If you wish to be the part of this league, join us as soon as possible, guys. Thank you so much. Have a great day.